Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Shuklaeen. Today's video I am going to talk about my journey. This video I am going to tell about how my journey has been so far. I had started this video give and take 30 or 40 days ago, but unluckily I could upload only 2 videos. After that I met with an accident and it took me at least 7 days to recover from because it was not that major. After that, I started uploading video again. Right now, I have uploaded only 12 videos and I have 21 subscribers. I know the number is not big, but I am happy what I am achieving. So before telling my experience with my channel, I just want to tell you one thing. As I am a homemaker, but I had always two desires. One was to become a fluent speaker, and second was to get financial independence. But I couldn't achieve neither of my desire because of lack of confidence and courage. I wanted to do something, but I couldn't. I don't know what was stopping me. But luckily, few days ago, I saw a video of a village YouTuber. Got surprised by seeing his journey and his achievement. He had started his channel with makeshift knowledge of English and lots of courage, and he ended up with becoming a fluent speaker. After getting the inspiration from that channel, I started thinking, what should I do? Then, after I decided to become a YouTuber, and I jumped into the bandwagon of YouTube. Little did I know this journey is not going to be so easy because whenever we see any YouTuber, we just feel that it's very easy to make a video and just upload it and you will get success and money. But the story behind the scene is totally different. So when I was about to shoot my first video, I was quite nervous. I was having butterfly in my stomach. As I stood in front of camera, I was like, I got frozen. I was not getting any word. I was fumbling a lot and I started sweating. I don't know what was happening with me. That time I asked a question to myself. Really? Is it my cup of tea? Should I drop this idea? Or whether I am doing right thing or not? I don't know what happened, but somehow I managed to shoot that video. And after lot of nervousness, I shot 25 minutes of video with n number of retakes. So after shooting my video, I was very much excited and I was thinking now but I will just upload this video and I will start getting you viewers and subscribers. But it's not going to happen. I was not aware this is the only first step. The real ordeal is going to start now. When I was about to, upload my video, I just watched the videos of some YouTuber. Then I got to know only shooting a video can't make your video successful. Before uploading video, you need to learn many things like how to create a thumbnail, how to edit video like a pro, how to create approachable banner and logo of your channel, and most important, how to get trendy and catchy channel name. That is more difficult. But I have no other option but to learn them. I know that without learning these things, I can't be a good YouTuber. Somehow I learned this. I know being a non technical person, it is not going to be a cakewalk for me. But I burnt midnight oil and all the basic of things. I just learn only basics. And somehow I create banner, thumbnail, and all the required things. When I was ready with my edited video with the HD thumbnails and the banner, then again, before uploading my video, I again thought that I should need to learn, is there anything which is required to learn before uploading video? And to my surprise, there are n number of things. Like only editing is not enough. You should know how to upload your video. How should be your title with keywords? What kind of description should be written? And what are the 10 trendy what are the trendy tags which are required to be uploaded in your YouTube channel? Then again I learned them, and finally I uploaded my video, and I was happy that now I am going to get views and subscriber. So what do you think? Was it the end? Was there anything which I need to learn? Yes, I got to know there is one thing which I will have to learn, that is be patient. Because once you upload your video, we started watching how many views we are getting. That time it's become very important to be patient. And you should know it's not going to be happen in one day. It will take time. So overall the conclusion is my full month was filled with the learning, curiosity. It was a roller coaster ride. But the conclusion is that whenever we see any successful person and we see their luxurious life and what kind of comfort they are getting, we always try to be like them. But what mistakes we do? We only see the tip of iceberg. Means we only see good things. We should always try to see under the water. What does it mean? It means we should always try to observe what kind of hard work and dedication they are putting in order to become successful and in order to get luxurious life. So I am learning all these things, and this YouTube channel has given me a lot in terms of learning, and it is helping me to overcome my anxiety, depression, and lack of confidence. I am enjoying my journey, and I am very hopeful for my upcoming journey. So, what are your experiences? So, if you want to share your journey, do comment me. I will share my Skype ID and we will have a chat. So, that is all for today. I hope you like my video. So, keep learning, keep smiling, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. That is all for today. We will meet in next video. Thank you.